So today we will see the beta oxidation and the forming from acetyl CoA and which goes to the Krebs cycle. We will see the whole things today. Okay, let's start with the mitochondrial cell. That is a double layer organelle, and once the fatty acid comes to our bloodstream system, it enters to the mitochondria through the help of acetyltransferase. Once this lactic fatty acid comes to the mitochondria, then it has to go to the inner layer, from the outer layer to inner layer. For that, here also when we are entering, there is a gate path system is there to recognize this one and to send to it enter into the inner layer. So to get into the inner layer, there is another called incarnate acyl transferase. So this will help to get inside with a pass. And again, there is another one. It is called CAT2 that will help to enter to the beta oxidation chamber. And this is the way how it goes in. And from this, it is produced in three ways. One is NADH plus H plus, FADH, H2, and acetyl CoA. So in this, the total there is of 70 ATPs produced in the system. Then once all this finished and the acetyl CoA will go to the Krebs cycle. It will enter the Krebs cycle. While coming to enter into the Krebs cycle, again there is a gatekeeper, as the name is called pyruvate dehydrogenase. With his help, this acetyl CoA enters to the CoA will enter to the Krebs cycle. And in that way also there is B3 hydrogen, that is NADH. Then it will cut down one carbon, and then these two carbon will enter into the acetyl CoA will enter. And the same time this OAA, that is oxaloxide, is already present there. So together this will make 4 carbons plus 6 carbons. And the next stage is citrate stage. Then when it's coming to citrate stage, there is, as I told, already 6 carbons are there. And from citrate stage, it will transfer into the isocitrate stage. In isocitrate stage, what happens? There is an enzyme called isocitrate dehydrogenase, which will cut one carbon, and one hydrogen is released, and hydrogen is captured by NADH through the help of the B3, and again, and then that they produce one energy or ATP that is sent to the inner system, which we can call as a it's an inverter or battery or something like that. We can say that. And so this produced energy is sent into the inverter. For example, inverter is just for an example. And then the next step comes to
alpha keto.
Next step is the alpha keto glutarate. By this stage, there is only 5 carbons, and again there is another enzyme which is called alpha keto glutarate, and then they also cut one carbon. NAD B3 is there, hydrogen is released, and the energy is sent to the battery system. And from that one, next stage is called succinyl CoA. Succinyl CoA. Succinyl CoA, from succinyl CoA, it goes to succinate. In between, there is a process called phosphorylation, and through which one ATP is produced. That also has been put into the that cage or inverter. And then from succinate, it goes to fumarate. In fumarate, there is a B2 is present there. With the help of that one, the FAD H2 is produced. And once that is produced, that also put into the other inverter system, into the cell system. Then from fumarate, the same. By all these stages, only 4 carbons is continuing. And from fumarate, it goes to malate. From malate, it goes to oxaloacetate. In between, again there is an enzyme it's coming B3, that is NADH plus H plus. And that cycle is completed, and this is what is called Kreb cycle and formation of ATP. Thank you.